How to change Facebook group name. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook application in your mobile device. After that, switch to your Facebook page by tapping on the profile icon along with the three line from the top right corner. From here, tap on your page icon next to your profile name. Now, once you switch to your Facebook page, again head over to the top right corner and tap on the profile icon along with the three line. Now you will land on this menu page. Here, scroll down a bit and from this menu given here, tap on groups. Once you land on this interface, tap on the search bar and now search for the groups that you would like to change the name for. Here I have this group, then open up the group. Once you open up the group, there you will have an option as Manage under your group name. Tap on Manage. Now, under the space that is Manage Group, scroll down and under the Settings, tap on Group Settings. Now, head over to the top corner and then tap on Name and Description on the Basic Info section. You will land on the name changing page to edit your name and description. So first of all, you have to delete this group name and then type in the new group name that you would like to add. And under that, you can also add group description as well. And once you're done with that, simply tap on save button from the top right corner. And with that, your name has been changed. Now if you go back and there you can see the name of this group has been changed. So that's how you change Facebook group name. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.